Kalyan Dombivali, a bustling hub in the Mumbai metropolitan region, is often perceived as a concrete jungle. However, beneath its rapidly developing urban facade lies a city deeply intertwined with nature's embrace. Strategically located in Maharashtra's Thane district, Kalyan Dombivali is blessed with a unique geography. Its proximity to the majestic Western Ghats and the life-giving Ulhas River paints a picturesque landscape. This makes the twin cities an alluring destination for nature enthusiasts and urban dwellers alike. As you traverse the city, you'll notice a stark contrast. The cityscape is a blend of towering skyscrapers and traditional houses. The air, though, carries a hint of freshness. This is a reminder of the abundant natural beauty that surrounds Kalyan Dombivali. From serene riverscapes to verdant hills, the city offers a refreshing change of pace. It's a place where one can reconnect with nature without venturing too far from urban comfort. The charm of Kalyan Dombivali lies in its ability to surprise. It constantly challenges the preconceived notions of a typical concrete jungle. The city invites you to explore its hidden natural treasures. It promises a journey of discovery where every turn reveals a new facet of its natural splendor. Whether you're a resident or a first-time visitor, Kalyan Dombivali promises an experience that blends the vibrancy of city life with the tranquility of nature. Kalyan Dombivali's allure is deeply rooted in its unique geographical setting. The city is nestled amidst the foothills of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These hills aren't just scenic backdrops, they are biodiversity hotspots. They provide a natural barrier against pollution and offer respite from the urban hustle. The Ulhas River, a lifeline of the region, meanders through the heart of the city. It creates a network of tributaries and creeks that add to the area's natural beauty. The presence of the Ulhas River is crucial to Kalyan Dombivali's ecosystem. It sustains a variety of flora and fauna, making the region a haven for nature lovers. The riverbanks are dotted with small villages and hamlets. These offer glimpses into a slower, more traditional way of life. The gentle slopes of the Western Ghats are ideal for trekking and hiking. They provide breathtaking views of the cityscape and the surrounding countryside. Beyond the immediate vicinity of the city, the influence of the Western Ghats is undeniable. The hills moderate the climate, providing a much-needed respite from the scorching summer heat. During the monsoon season, the hills come alive with cascading waterfalls and lush greenery. This transforms the entire region into a paradise. The interplay of geographical features makes Kalyan Dombivali a city where nature is not just a visitor but a constant companion. Despite its rapid urbanization, Kalyan Dombivali has managed to preserve pockets of green spaces that offer sanctuary from the urban clamor. These green lungs are not just aesthetically pleasing, they play a vital role in maintaining the city's ecological balance. Among the most notable is the Tata Power Green Park, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of Kalyan. This park is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. The Tata Power Green Park is a popular destination for morning walkers, joggers and picnickers. It features a well-maintained jogging track, a children's play area and a serene lake. The park is home to a variety of bird species, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. Similarly, Dombivali boasts its own green park, a sprawling green space that offers a similar respite from the urban chaos. These parks are more than just recreational spaces. They are vital components of the city's ecosystem. They help reduce air pollution, provide a habitat for urban wildlife, and offer much-needed psychological relief to city dwellers. They stand as a testament to Kalyan Dombivali's commitment to balancing urban development with environmental responsibility. The Ulhas River is the lifeblood of Kalyan Dombivali, flowing through its heart and shaping its history and culture. Originating in the Western Ghats, the river meanders through the city, its banks dotted with ancient temples, historic ghats, and bustling markets. The river holds immense cultural and religious significance for the locals. Its waters are considered sacred, and its banks are often used for religious ceremonies and festivals. The Ulhas River is not merely a water body, it's a living testament to the city's heritage and a source of sustenance for its people. For generations, the river has been a vital source of irrigation for the surrounding farmlands, ensuring the region's agricultural prosperity. Even today, amidst the hustle and bustle of city life, the Ulhas River retains its serene charm. The riverbanks offer a tranquil escape from the city's clamor. Here, one can witness a slower pace of life. Fishermen cast their nets in the golden glow of dawn, while washermen rhythmically beat clothes on the stone steps of the Ghats. The Ulhas River, with its timeless flow, serves as a constant reminder of nature's enduring presence amidst the ever-evolving urban landscape. Section 5. A haven for birds and blooms. Kalyan Dombivali is a haven for nature enthusiasts, particularly birdwatchers and plant lovers. The city's diverse ecosystems, ranging from riverine habitats to forested hills, support a rich variety of flora and fauna. Ur Hills, located on the outskirts of the city, is a treasure trove of biodiversity. This forested region is home to over 100 species of birds, making it a paradise for avid birdwatchers. Early mornings at Ur Hills are alive with the symphony of birdsong. You might spot the vibrant plumage of the blue-throated barbet or the Indian grey hornbill. The hills are also home to a variety of raptors, including the majestic Bonelli's eagle and the elusive shikra. The dense foliage provides ample opportunities for bird photography. Ur Hills is not just a treat for birdwatchers, it's also a botanist's delight. The hills are home to a diverse range of plant species, including medicinal herbs, wild orchids, and towering trees. The forest floor is carpeted with wildflowers during the monsoon season, creating a riot of colours. Exploring the trails of Ur Hills is like stepping into a different world, a world where nature reigns supreme. Section 6 Gateways to Hilltop Escapes. Kalyan Dombivali's strategic location in the foothills of the Western Ghats makes it an ideal base for exploring the region's famed hill stations. Within a few hours' drive, one can escape to the cool, misty heights of Matharan, Kandala and Lonavala. These hill stations, renowned for their scenic beauty and pleasant climate, offer a refreshing change of pace from the city's heat and humidity. Matharan, a unique hill station where vehicles are banned, offers a nostalgic charm. Explore its winding pathways on foot or horseback and soak in the panoramic views of the Saharadri range. Kandala and Lonavala, nestled amidst rolling hills and cascading waterfalls, are perfect for a romantic getaway or a fun-filled family vacation. Visit the ancient Kala and Paja caves, explore the majestic Lohagad fort, or simply relax and rejuvenate amidst nature's bounty. These hill stations offer a plethora of activities for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Trek to the top of Duke's Nose for breathtaking views, go rappelling down cascading waterfalls, or explore the region's hidden trails on a mountain bike. The proximity of these hill stations makes Kalyan Dombivali an ideal base for weekend getaways and short vacations. Section 7. A city in harmony with nature. Kalyan Dombivali stands as a testament to the possibility of harmonious coexistence between urban development and nature's embrace. Despite its rapid urbanization, the city has managed to preserve its natural heritage, offering its residents a unique blend of city conveniences and natural tranquility. The presence of the Western Ghats, the Ulhas River, and numerous green spaces within the city ensures that nature is an integral part of the urban fabric. The city's residents have a deep-rooted respect for nature, evident in their efforts to preserve their green spaces. Community initiatives often focus on tree plantation drives, river cleaning projects, and promoting sustainable living practices. This harmonious relationship between humans and nature is what sets Kalyan Dombivali apart from other concrete jungles. As the city continues to grow and evolve, it's crucial to prioritize sustainable development practices. Balancing urban expansion with environmental conservation is essential to ensure that future generations can enjoy the same natural beauty that Kalyan Dombivali offers today. The city's story is a reminder that urbanization need not come at the cost of nature. With conscious effort, it's possible to create urban spaces where both can thrive in harmony. Section 8. Finding your own green corner. Whether you're a resident or a first-time visitor, Kalyan Dombivali invites you to discover your own green corner amidst its urban landscape. Take a stroll along the banks of the Ulhas River, lose yourself in the tranquility of Tata Power Green Park, or embark on a birding adventure in Ur Hills. Let nature's embrace rejuvenate your senses and remind you of the simple joys of life. Kalyan Dombivali's unique blend of urban conveniences and natural beauty makes it an ideal place to live, work, and connect with nature. The city's story is a testament to the fact that progress and preservation can go hand in hand. As you explore the city's hidden natural treasures, you'll discover that Kalyan Dombivali is not just a city. It's an experience, an emotion, a place where you can truly find your own rhythm amidst the symphony of urban life.